Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making easy to make spring wreath. We are working with burlap, peonies. If you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button. You will be notified of my upcoming video. With that said, much thanks and let's get this started. We are working with some of this beautiful burlap, which I purchased by the ribbons. It's a thick one. We are working for the top is an 8-inch burlap. For the bottom, we got a 74-inch. For the bottom, we got this sign, which I just, got the string and just attached it up there. Bam. We got some peonies. We got some greenery, sorted greenery, and we got our scissors, and we got everybody here. Let's get this started. Okay, first things first, we're going to take this. Oh, I got one thing to say. I try to make the beautiful little cuts at the end, but I don't consider to do that because it kind of ruins the burlap ribbon, so I'll just keep it like this. Okay, here we're going to do, we are going to make, the first one is going to be a 9-inch tail, and we are going to go bold this time. We are going to go to 15-inch 2 loops, okay? Got that, we're going to do 15-inch loops. This beauty, one, there we got another. You can just measure by the other one on the other side. This one going right here, measure them out. Both the same, a little bit too much. Okay, we're going to get this guy up here. We already got these stuck here. We're putting them in. Get that down there, and bam. There we go. We got one going right here. Pin that in there. Okay, we're going to work our way down, and we are going to make one 15-inch, one bold 15-inch loop right here. We got that. Check that out. I get my part where I got my pig there. How's everybody doing today? Let's get that smile going on. Let's have a great day. Whoa, a little bit too much, and then we got right there. How is that look, everybody? Woo! Beautiful. Okay, we are going to do the same down here. We're going to have a little 9-inch loop, 9-inch tail. And, oh wait, yeah, we're going to do a little 9-inch loop, and we are going to make two 15-inch loops. One. I'll bring this over. Like that. We got two. We're going to put this in right here, down here. Fasten that up. Boom. Look at that. Kind of push it down, and wow, look at that. Oh, I wish I didn't cut that bottom, but show must go on. Okay, then we're going to come up here and make one 15-inch loop. There we go. How's it looking, everybody? Woo. I seen this burlap the other day when I was at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to try something with it. So I got it yesterday, and I figured it out last night, and it came out to a beauty. And I thought, hey, show our fans, our peoples, how they beautiful creation you can make with that burlap. Spruce it up. Ooh, look at that, everybody. How beautiful, huh? Coming out. Okay, it's coming alive. Now what we're going to do is bring our greenery up. Just going to push your reaping, so yay. Thought you were sleeping, my son. Then just put it in, Ay, ay, ay. We can put it in there. Get some on the inside and out. Not too much. Kind of play with it and visualize. Oh, wow. Then we're going to get some more of that greenery down here. Up here, down here. We're going to get some down here. Balance our items out. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we got it. We got it. Kind of put them inside there. Look at that. Attach them with the wire. This is a 24-inch wreath. One of my 24 inches wreath. And then kind of tuck those. Just kind of play with the florals, the greenery. Then we are going to get a little bit more up here. Look at how easy it is just to work with this. Bam, look at that. Woo. Okay, let's stop right there and let's get some peonies. See, I'm learning too with you guys. Peonies, that's what these beauties are called. Peonies. Have these, put away, recycle your items, your florals. You can use them throughout the year. Look at, how is that looking, everybody? Give a thumbs up or leave a comment. I appreciate your comments. Then let's just work the rest of these. Oh, we got our peonies there. We forgot our other peony right here. These flowers are so beautiful. Yes, I got to get more of these, huh? videos with more of those. So beautiful. Okay, well, let's just get some of our greenery and just spruce it out, you know. So let's step back and visualize. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Step back and visualize. Puff out our ribbon. Let me take that one out. It's only got kind of a little eucalyptic on there. I think I got those in a bundle. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Yo. My son. Okay, and look at that, everybody. Hey, good morning, good morning. Look at that, everybody. I think we got it right there. Woo! Okay, let me. Yes, I think we got that right here, buddy. I think we got it. Okay, with that said, once again, thanks for coming to my video. I enjoy being here, like always, with you guys. And I hope you got some inspiration or some kind of ideas from this. Ooh, let me step back and visualize on this. Oh my God, look at that beauty. You know, you could just work with your greeneries. Get them all going up in here, up in here. Wow. Okay. Once again, I hope you enjoyed my video and have a great day. And just experiment with your ribbons, your colors, the textures, and just have fun making it. Until next time. Until next video. Let's get the smile on and have a wonderful day, everybody. Until next video. Bye. See ya.